Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So guys, what is this? This is my Casio ProTrack PRG-300, and for your reference, the model number of this watch is CM-4CR. So guys, for the full video, all of you stay tuned.
Karanjetlilive.
Guys, this is my Casio ProTrack PRG-300. Okay, so model number I have just told you, and while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you that I paid about 50 Omani Riyals for it. Okay, so the MRP of this watch is about 85 Omani Riyals. Okay, so I got it in on clearance. Okay, now you can see this is the user manual of this watch. Okay, so it is bigger than the watch, so means it is loaded with the features. Okay, so let us take it out and let us see how it feels and what are the different option it comes with. Okay, so it comes with this in this cardboard, hardened cardboard type box. Okay, and guys, here it is, Casio ProTrack PRG-300. So guys, this particular model, you can see it is black and orange, and on the orange band you can see this black camouflage markings, which kind of makes this watch look very unique. Okay, so guys, as I told you while we took out the instruction manual, this watch is loaded with features. So it is tough solar, you don't need any battery, so it runs on solar power. It comes with this triple sensor, and it offers water resistance up to 100 meter, means very good for swimming, and even you can go for diving with this watch. Okay, so and it has a compass, you can see here. Yes, it is pointing to the east direction and it is showing me the degrees. So it comes with the compass. Then it has a barometer, so let us see. It is showing the present atmospheric pressure and what is the temperature of the room. So it has a compass, it has barometer, it has thermometer, and then it also has this altimeter. So it is showing me my altitude in meters, that is 44 meters. So other than this, it also has this Casio features, that is the world time, okay, alarm clock, backlight, and this is the button for backlight, so which is little difficult to find, but it comes. And it also has this automatic backlight feature, so when I turn the watch to some angle, automatically the backlight should switch on, so you can see it. Okay, so guys, other than this, the case size of this watch is about 44 45 mm, and it comes with this Ryzen band. So guys, that's all for today, and before we end this video, I will wear it on my wrist. So it is not very big watch, so but it kinds of, it can grab the attention of the people, so I wear it on my wrist so that you can have an idea. Already guys, I am wearing my another Casio ProTrack, so let us wear it and let us see how it looks on the wrist. Okay, and guys, here we go. So guys, this was Casio ProTrack PRG-300, okay, CM4DY. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, watch reviews, technical reviews, and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.